rarely say long runway when you've got a triplane or a vintage biplane. I wasn't expecting that, I have to admit.
It's amazing really, because it was really well, the first version of it entered service, the trial version in 1917, the back end of 1917, and it didn't really enter proper service, frontline service, as the DR1, which is what we're looking at the moment, until February the 17th. The Red Baron scored the last of his 17 victories. I say only the last 17. Practicing, but incredibly manoeuvrable. And of course, in the biplane era, it's all about manoeuvrability rather than speed. Although it didn't, flying straight and level, it had none of the speed to match. And you see following it. Cantilever wing, improved ability to climb, and excessive manoeuvrability. In actual fact, once Richtofen was killed in April 1918, 7, about 120 maybe on a good day. But they're still pretty nimble. I mean, looking at these now, Mike, as a pilot yourself, I mean, what's your sort of thoughts? What do you make of them?
I think they look very fragile.
Don't they just?
Quite alarmed to be fighting it, pulling it around the corner. But they were in the early days of aerial warfare, so pilots didn't really know about the effectiveness for all those things. So it's amazing to watch.
There's a lot of fabric, a lot of wire. You're right, they do. In fact, the first triplane was made by Sywell, and it was a captured one from February 1917 that persuaded Anthony Fokker that this was the way to go. So he took it back to their plant at Schwerin and told Reinhold Platz, his chief designer, this was what was needed. He wanted a Fokker triplane as well. The first prototype aircraft are compared to modern aircraft and or indeed next generation of aircraft.
Well, the aerobatics, we've got a barrel roll a while ago. They can't bring over one. Underneath the steering of 7.
And I guess that's its USP, isn't it? It's this manoeuvrability that you get from the three wings rather than two.
All that extra lift, yeah. I don't know if they've got control services on all of that. I don't think
I mean, it does look a bit like a box type, doesn't it?
It's so smart. It looks a bit like a box type.
Unawares, haven't you? I mean, if you know you're looking at a pilot of any skills, you would feel that you should dodge it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, tactics they're very much in their infancy back when they were fighting. So the likes of the Red Baron were coming up with these euros on the enemy's tail and using weapons.
And the Immelmann is still a kind of known procedure, and of course that was from the German First World War fighter racing. Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? You really do get a sense of totally different type of air combat with the